Hello everyone, this is Ravi Punmagar, one of the recent graduate of Master in Technology in Software Engineering from IIBIT Adelaide. Hope you are all good today and are excited to start your career in this course. So today I'm going to talk about my experience here uh, to sum up as an international student in Australia, the inner course, how it goes, the activities and engagement tasks provided on this course, the study environment and friends I get here, and my student life. So as an international student, it was quite tough and rough for me, and obviously I think that goes for all of the international student in Australia. But to be fair, like we have got lots of opportunities for as a student also, because they have good quality of education, they have good job perspective. If you are skilled enough, if you have got the knowledge, experience on it, will be able to get a good job here. And about the enroll course of the master in technology as a software engineering, this one is definitely a good choice for me. And the course they it the course the campus offered for our master is a good one. They have got a quality uh, topics which included fundamentals of networking, some database data management, and then for other knowledge skills, the student need to develop, like on research, on project management thing, and lots many more. And about the activities and engagement on this course, there are lots of activities and engagement you will gonna find. You'll have you will be seeing the assignment that need to be finished on a given deadline. So don't forget to finish the deadline on the given date. I like you guys to advise. And other activities like conference zooming to skill up our to skill up our knowledge, whether that will be on a report or on a self development, or making our English better. So, and about the study environment and friends, about my experience is that since when I started my course here in Australia, there was a situation of COVID. So after the first week of my visit to the college, it gets locked down and let's get locked down. So I have to attend most of 2 years of my course, all of the time at online. So it all goes online. So only at the last semester in the master project, that's that has been some face-to-face class. And about the and friends, I have got some friends, not much since it was online, as you can guess. And about the student life, obviously it will be hard, but don't give up. That's why we are here. We are here to struggle, and struggle makes us more perfect and better. And now I'm going to talk about the master project. So this one is the main theme, I'll say, like the 2 years course, everything you have got, everything you want, everything you find, sow it, get it, done it, and put all together, put all the pieces you have got and make it a masterpiece. I'll say, make a master project as a masterpiece. And in the master project, I definitely have learned a lot of things. uh, I was I was not an experienced person. I was just a student. But after in the end of my master project, there are lots of things we need to do. There are lots of um, googling we need to do. There are lots of skills we need to have. So we need to update ourselves. So I have seen a lots of online videos on coding, on testing, on report writing, and they don't feel sorry, because all the things will be putting all the courses you will be getting are putting you on finalizing on the master project. That's what I am saying. And the client and supervisor, they are there to help you, to give you the solution to a problem if you got stuck, and if there is anything you don't know, then definitely the client or supervisor will help you. And if there is need of change, they will definitely gonna help you. And about my master project, to sum up, I have learned, basically I was not good at coding, but in this master project or in this final semester, I have learned a lot about coding. I have learned about the fronting part and backing part, and how the fronting works. And on the fronting, I have used the Angular to to make our user interface more user interface friendly, more productive. And on the backend part, also I have learned, but I didn't put myself on the myself as a backend developer, but as a front-end one. And similarly, on the testing part, I know much more about documentation of testing, and how it is done, what are the needs that we need to do there on the testing part. And lots of testing, system testing, software, so system testing, unit testing, integration testing, and many more. And on the report writing as well, to sum up how the project is written up. So that's all of my master's project. Again, everything you have to put it, you have to give it to all. And lastly, my final advice is that to you all are is that finish the tasks you have studied. That's very important. So when you started, you need to finish so that you don't have to look back. And the next one is try to get out of comfort zone and challenge yourselves. This one is important in your in the last semester is a master project. You have to challenge yourselves. You have to, so that you don't give up, and you can do it. And if there is any problem, you can get help. So don't feel hesitate to give or receive help. Don't feel hesitate to receive help from either from your friends who are more good than you, or from the teacher or teacher who are very friendly. They will definitely help you. And the last one is explore being as a student. As a student, what do you need to do? You need to dive yourselves in learning, in gaining knowledge. You will make a mistake, but that's all right. Making a mistake is a part of life. It will help you grow. And lastly, as a person also, because since you are as a student, you might not have anyone so you need to be strong emotionally, physically. And if there is something bothering you, talk with your family parents to be relieved, so that you have to be very strong as a person as well. So that's all. Thank you very much for listening, and hope you all be doing great. Thank you.